Hello everyone, let us jump into the demo of our prototype Predicto Smart Bridges and Construction System. Here we have used Python script in order to develop the user interface of our software, and let us run this program. As you can see, this is the user interface of our program, of our software, and here there are input factors like 3 input factors such as deflection, utilization ratio and maximum bending moment. These are the 3 key elements which key factors which influence the bridge in its lifetime. Here we can see this latitude and longitude. As we are accessing API for the weather conditions of present day, here we can give a latitude longitude in order to get the live information from the API, online API itself. So let us fill the data. So we'll take the first factor as deflection and press next, and we'll give the value as 0.962 something. Later we'll go for another factor. We can give multiple deflections as well. Here we are giving again 0.83 store value, and we can change the factor as utilization ratio, and we can give the utilization ratio as 0.9632, anything of the value. What is the present current day value which we have got through visual inspection or any other ways, the current ways. So we can even give maximum bending moment such as 40. Here we click the store value again. So in order to gain live information from API, we can even keep latitude longitude like 17.356, latitude and 78.263, anything. When you press OK, we'll get a particular city, temperature, rainfall, humidity and wind speed. These are the present day conditions which we get through API. So after filling all the data, when we press done, you can see the output of our prediction. Here, as we have stated, deflection, utilization and bending moment values. So here we have made an algorithm by taking the amount of data of the previous bridge, deflections, utilization ratio, maximum moment. We have simulated some data and we have gathered some data. By using that, we have developed an algorithm. Through that, we can state that bridge can survive for 63.33, but be 65 to 70 years, more years. So this is how the life prediction of our software works. It can work both in the case of bridges and even in the constructions as well. This is the mobile application that we have developed. This can be given to the inspection officers who are inspecting the bridges or any construction, so that they can fill out the data. As you can see, there's a fill data option in there, so they can fill the data in that application, and whatever the present day inspection data is available, all the data will be sent to a Firebase, Google Firebase, and that is stored over there. These are the basic components of Predicto as of the prototype is concerned. We are using sensors, actuators and 12 volts lithium and recharge battery and ESP8266 Wi-Fi modules. Here we are embedding sensors into the bridges in order to get real-time data, and all this data is stored in the Firebase as the previous data flows to the Firebase. As same as that, these data will also flow to the database, and that is stored there for the future purposes. We are also looking into an idea of a 3D model drone. This is a drone which we model in order to get image processing for the cracks where a human being can't go. So this drone, we are customizing this drone and we are working on it. This is an additional feature that could benefit the software.